Tinawag na political opportunism ng National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict ang impeachment call ng Makabayan Bloc laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon kay National Security Council Assistant Director General at NTF-ELCAC Strategic Communications Cluster Chair Jonathan Malaya, sang-ayon sila kay Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na maaapektuhan lamang ng impeachment ang mga dapat na mas pinagtutuunang isyu ngayon sa bansa.
Ang posisyon lang po ng NTF-ELCAC napakalinaw. We agree with the President. We agree that the Makabayan's impeachment of VP Sara is a distraction from the more urgent issues facing the country. The President is correct. It will tie down the Senate. It will tie down the House. And the President is just concerned with addressing the needs of the Filipino people. Now, Makabayan's call for impeachment, nagpa-file sila ng impeachment left and right. Why are they doing that? Again, very clearly, it is political opportunism. Political opportunism and political mileage.
Ito rin daw ay isang attempt ng political mileage bago pa ang 2025 elections. Sabi pa ni Malaya, hindi nila hahayaan ang anumang attempt ng karahasan sa bansa.
The concern of NTF-ELCAC, and in particular the National Security Council, is political stability, economic development, and national security. So any attempt by anyone to create violence, nakita natin sa Bonifacio Day, nanggugulo sila doon, is something that alarms us.
Inihain ng Makabayan Bloc ang ikalawang impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara dahil sa umunay betrayal of public trust kaugnay ng paggamit ng confidential funds. Nabatid na nagsimula ng mangalap ng mga pirma ang Makabayan sa Kamara upang maabot ang requirement na 1/3 ng mga kongresista at agad maitransmit ang impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara sa Senado. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News sa FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.